Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share you 5 health benefits of drinking rosehip tea. Herbal tea varieties have been consumed for decades and some, much longer. Although chamomile and peppermint tea are often first thought of when thinking about herbal teas, rosehip tea is now surging in popularity due to its incredible health benefits and pleasant flavor. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming rosehip tea. First, rosehip tea is a great source of many different vitamins, minerals and other nutrients. It is an incredible source of vitamin C, as well as vitamin A, manganese, vitamin K and vitamin E. Rosehip tea is also quite high in fiber, packed with antioxidants, and has anti-inflammatory compounds. Secondly, not only is rosehip tea a great source of nutrients, but it is truly an antioxidant powerhouse. Rosehips and rosehip tea contain high levels of polyphenols, carotenoids, vitamin C, vitamin E and flavonoid antioxidants. These compounds provide powerful antioxidant properties and can boost our immune system, reducing the risk of illness. Third benefits of rosehip tea is, consuming rosehip tea can also help to reduce inflammation throughout the entire body, including chronic inflammation, while also reducing pain associated with our joints. This is because rosehip tea is high in anti-inflammatory compounds, such as polyphenols and unique and potent anti-inflammatory compounds called galactolipids. Fourth benefits, it can also help to promote the health of our heart and reduce the risk factors associated with heart disease when consumed regularly. Rosehip tea can help to decrease bad LDL cholesterol significantly and triglycerides. As well, the high amounts of flavonoids can help to regulate blood pressure levels while also improving blood flow. Lastly, consuming rosehip tea can help to boost our immunity and support a healthy immune system. Rosehip tea is incredibly high in vitamin C and in fact, has one of the highest vitamin C concentrations of any fruit and vegetable. The high levels of vitamin C in it can help to produce white blood cell to protect against infections and reduce pathogens in the body. The polyphenols, vitamin E, vitamin A and numerous other antioxidants are also helpful in this regard. Those are the 5 benefits of drinking rosehip tea. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. While we have tried to ensure that the information is sound and accurate, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. The information in this video should not be substituted for professional medical advice and opinions. If you are experiencing any ailments, serious or otherwise, always seek professional medical treatment and advice. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.